Dr. Bhaskar Rajakumar, CEO of Charaka, welcome to Pharma.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
As a speaker on digital health and AI, smart devices in the industry, so why do we really need AI in pharma?
It's an interesting question, right? So let me answer that slightly differently. Now, even before we get into AI, why do we need any technology in any field? Is a question what we really need to answer, right? So the invent of any technology was for our convenience to begin with, and to assist and to augment.
Okay.
That's essentially what has been happening with the technology revolution. Be it, so everybody keeps comparing and starting with steam engine and calculators. I won't go so back, but if you look at internet era from mid 90s to early 2000s, all the technology which came in assisted us in a lot of ways.
Okay.
We saw a significant revolution. Health tech was relatively late in catching up. Fintech saw a significant revolution, right? So the UPI movement is the latest, but there was a significant jump in how we are managing our finances, countries are managing our finances, and how we are jumping forward, right? So
Right.
similarly is what AI is also doing, not just in healthcare, across the sector. So if you look at AI specifically in healthcare, I wouldn't call it as artificial intelligence. I would put it as augmented intelligence. So if I'm a doctor, I am practicing.
Okay.
How will it really help augment my capacity? If I'm seeing a patient, can I analyze better? So I'm a radiologist by education. So today, everybody says radiologists were the first one to be replaced, but I would say today radiologists are a lot more equipped as compared to earlier. Right? So I can look at multiple more scans as compared to earlier, and I can look at a lot more precision. Many things which I might have missed out, this intelligence is helping me to identify. So that's why I say it is not just artificial intelligence, but augmented intelligence, which will help me augment my capacity as a practitioner.
So as a student, if I am into enrolling this program, so what would I be expected out of in the industry?
Okay, so if you are a student, let's assume you have some healthcare background, that's why you're jumping into this course as a student, right? So what would you be expecting? I would say 2-3 things. One, specifically, it's very, very important for a student of today to understand what is really happening in this sector, right? So when I finished my medicine back in 2005, 2006, good 20 years back, I was the only guy who had a laptop in the whole batch, right? So that was the exposure of technology then, which is not true today, right? So every kid who is graduating from medicine or any healthcare course today, or any course for that matter, has an exposure to significant amount of technology.
Yes.
Similar thing is what is happening within the healthcare sector also. The practice, whatever we are doing, the whole thing has been changed. So when when you look at an OPD of 10 years back and the OPD of today, there is a significant change. There are multiple devices, how the devices interact, how the devices conduct, how the devices help you analyze it, and what are the kind of data which is coming in. All of these things have changed. It's very important for the students to know the change. That's the first step. If I'm not learning anything out of the course, this is the basic thing what I would like to learn. How is the world today? Second thing is, it's very, very important to know what is coming out of all of this, right? So once you put a technology in a clinical space, what is really coming out of it? What is this data? How does it behave? What is the information I'm able to gain out of it? How does it help me? This is the second layer I would love to learn as a student. So this is the most important thing if you want to get into the system, right? So then comes the third layer. To be successful, you'll have to learn something. What is going to be the future? World is changing much, much faster than before. Whatever was the model, we all talk about AI so much. Whatever was the model which was the best model till day before yesterday is not the best model today.
Right.
It is changing so fast. So it is very important for the students not just learning what was yesterday and today, also to realize and know what is going to be tomorrow and day after.
Right.
So that's the third thing. If I want to be successful in my career in the technology space of health, I'll have to know what is going to be tomorrow and day after.
Thanks for adding value to the conversation.
That's it.
Yeah.
Thank you.